National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cott County, northwestern Greene County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of White Pine, Oregon, 9 miles southeast of Morristown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Mosheim, Romeo, and Mohawk. This includes Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 18 and 35. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee.